Hey, Blair,
Yeah, man.
you ever heard of the one chip challenge, my little amigo?
No, what's that?
Well, these are extremely spicy tortilla chips, and you just see who can eat the chip and how long it takes you to go for a drink of water.
For how long?
10 minutes.
Yeah, how hot are they?
Well, it says, do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy food, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsicum, or are pregnant. I don't think you qualify. Okay, after touching the chip, wash your hands with soap and water. Do not touch your eyes or your genitals. It says sensitive
Oh,
areas.
is that right? Oh, okay, well.
And that last word, it says, seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea.
Oh, this sounds wonderful.
Here, one for you and one for me.
Oh.
Come on, don't be shy. Pull up a seat.
Is this like being pepper sprayed?
I don't know.
So this is really freaking hot.
Well, I'm assuming it's moderately warm, Blair, to say the least. Whew. Smells deadly. Oh, it's not that big. How hard can it be?
I think it should be like a Band-Aid, right? Just do it.
Yeah.
Bit of warmth there.
Oh, rising up like bile in the back of my throat.
Don't laugh so freaking hard. Look at yours.
Blair, you're
Man,
turning
you're
blue.
completely blue.
It's hot.
Ooh.
That is pretty warm. I'm starting to sweat. Whoops. Just about vomited.
How long does the blue last?
Think about as long as the urge to vomit. Pretty warm, eh, Blair?
A little.
Wow, starting to hiccup. That's not a good sign.
Oh man, that makes my teeth hurt. Wow.
Ugh.
My eyeballs are sweating.
Oh. Hot chip.
That wasn't a really wise decision.
No. Okay.
Okay, so when does it start to subside?
10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Don't touch your eyes. Like, that's hot. Like 2 million Scovilles. Like, that's like habanero plus.
So how stupid is this?
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's about 2 million.
It's like banging your head against the wall. It's gonna feel great when we're done.
Oh, man.
I could de-ice my windshield.
It's getting better. It's almost gone.
You're lying bastard. Hey, what are you doing?
There, I don't want to say I cheated. There we go. We crushed it.
Yeah? Is this winning? Is that what you're telling me?
What's
This is winning?
Look, how long can you last before you short circuit? I mean, we're already at 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. High five, buddy. We're invincible. Oh, old and stupid.
Oh,